Hey, so today I wanted to give a quick review of these artificial bushes. I was compensated by the brand to make this video. I definitely can use them because, as you can see, we have a lot of land to cover out here, and I like to add a lot of greenery and trees and things just to liven it up and make it look more inviting. So these right here came in, and it's so easy to just kind of fan them out. They did come in a small box, and I was kind of reluctant to open it. I didn't think that they were going to be very big, but once you start fanning them out, they do take on their shape. Once you get it fanned out to however you want it, you can simply just bend these and move them different ways to make them look very realistic. So once you get the disc and the spike out, even the disc looks real realistic. I mean, it looks like there's dirt and soil around it, so you'll keep that facing up so it looks more real. You just put that over top of that. That goes right inside of the bush. So I'm going to add a little bit of color, a little bit of greenery right here in the fire pit. So I just cleared out a little bit of the gravel, and I'll just push that right down into the ground, and then I'll just feather some gravel over that ground disc just so you don't see it. And then again, just feather out the bush to however you want it to look. And it just adds a little bit more life, a little bit more landscaping without the hassle of having to keep it alive, to have to worry about it losing its color or its blooms, because it will look the same all year round. It's easy to clean. You just feather dust it if it gets any cobwebs or things like that in it. But these are going to be great. I can't wait to get some more just to add around the yard, especially around here at the fire pit. Just adds a little bit more coziness, a little bit more life. I absolutely love them, and I would definitely recommend them.